As an organisation, we deliver training and education opportunities to a wide range of partners to break down the barriers and stigma of disability using disability simulation equipment.
We are now in the practical session and all of the students are experiencing bocce, new age, curling, wheelchair slalom, and they are also trying to work out how to make all of their sessions inclusive and accessible.
Since our launch in 2019, we have reached over 2,000 people, starting through schools up to housing associations and local authorities. Quite a lot have experienced disability firsthand using our simulation equipment, and it's changing perceptions.
When I go into the gym and look at things I don't like or things I struggle with, this is a much bigger picture.
It is at the core of inclusion, making sure that everyone can be involved within a session, and it allows us to expand and broaden our understanding and abilities as coaches.
I always thought I wanted to go into sport with able-bodied people, and today really made me consider, if I could be of use elsewhere with people who do have additional needs.
Working with a social partner has been so productive. It has made the project so much more valuable because I had that sounding board.
It's a great opportunity for anybody who comes with some business experience and some capacity to provide some financial support to social entrepreneurs, and you get to see some really inspirational people who are committed to making a difference and solving some of society's really difficult problems. We spent 3 years really proving that this model of what we're doing works, and it delivers benefit to the fellows of SSE and the school more broadly. Next big challenge is to go out and recruit some more social partners.
Without their ongoing support, I actually wouldn't be in the position I am today.